the shape OPQR, this shape here, is made up from a triangle OQR and a sector OPQ, centre O. OR is 6 centimetres, QR is 8 centimetres, angle ORQ is 30, and angle POQ is 32. Work out the area of the shape OPQR, give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So before we can find the area of the sector OPQ, we need to find the radius OQR. So we need to find this length here, which is the radius of the sector. And to do that, we can use the triangle OQR. Now, what we've got here is 2 sides and the included angle. So we'll call this length here R, which is also the radius of the sector what we want to find. And we know that this length here is Q because it's opposite angle Q, and this is little o because it's opposite this angle here. We've got 2 sides and the included angle, so we use the cosine rule. So the cosine rule will say that R squared, i.e. this length squared, will be equal to O squared plus Q squared minus 2OQ cos R, which means R squared will be equal to 8 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 8 times 6 times the cos of 30 degrees. So that will be equal to 16.861. You're doing it on my calculator all in one go, making sure you put the correct sign in. Now, you don't actually have to take the square root to find R, because we actually need R squared in the next bit, but if you do, you're going to get 4.106. Note, in either case, do not round off. Right, now to find the area of the whole shape. So we now know that this length is 4.106. Again, we're going to have this as QRO. So the area of the shape OPQR is the area of this triangle plus the area of the sector. Now, to find the area of the triangle, you've got 2 sides and included angle, so it's going to be a half OQ sine of R plus theta, we'll call that one theta, over 360 degrees times the area of the circle, which is pi R squared. So you've got a half times 8 times 6 times the sine of 30 plus 32 over 360. Now, if you're going to do this on your calculator, use the fraction button, times pi times my answer to the previous bit squared. Or you put in the one that's already squared. So doing that on my calculator, I'm going to get 16.708. I'm rounding to 3 significant figures. That gives me 16.7 centimetres to 3 significant figures. So this has been a video to show you find the area of a shape, which is a mixture, compound of a triangle and a sector. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.